Alright, so you know, so the other day something came to my attention. That did you know that a lot of Jamaicans don't know name Courage? I me kind of feel bad for them. Like in my mind, me I say, yo, how can you be a Jamaican and you don't know name Courage? Like more than one female me see come and me say, yo, no know name Courage. Them don't know name Courage. Even somebody nowadays speaking them, they don't know name Courage. So come, let me show you name Courage. Come. Put it on here. Alright, let me find out. Yes, see that. Go down funny. So this is that busha with a little sprang, hit name Courage. Come up to me, tell him how I'm going with the Courage now. Alright, so the thing with Courage, when you rub against anything, it scratch you. But I think them I want to just a regular Courage, you catch you for a little while and then stop. But you have one when you